How to fix Instagram glitch 2023. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just open your settings of your phone. Then when it's open, you will go to apps, and on apps, what you can do right now, just you will go to Instagram. You will search for it. As you see, I found it, and then I will go to storage, and on storage I will go to the bottom of the screen and I will click clear data. Then I will click OK, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.